Do you want to start mining Picoin on your iPhone and earn money? Pi Network is a revolutionary cryptocurrency that allows users to mine Pi directly from their phones without draining battery life or using excessive power. It's a fast-growing digital currency with millions of users worldwide. And let's see how you can get the app and start mining Pi for free. The first thing that you'll want to do is to open the App Store on your iPhone, and let's then go over to our search bar. In here, you'll want to type Pi Network and then search for this phrase. You're looking for an application which looks like this, and I will leave the application link in the description of this video. So go check the video description and open the correct app in your App Store. If you're downloading the app for the first time, just tap on Get. But I've downloaded this app in the past, so I will just tap on the little cloud icon and then wait for Pi to download and install on my iPhone. I will upload more tutorials on how you can create a Pi account and start mining, how to sell your Pi coins and earn real money, so subscribe to App Tutor in order to get those videos in the future. And if this video was helpful to you, make sure to leave a like. Thanks for watching everyone and enjoy.